Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Annoying as Dee Dee. And today, what I have here for you is the topic about religion. I know it's a real sensitive topic, but I just want, you know, something was just telling me to share my thoughts on it. So let's start at the beginning. I was raised as a Baptist Christian. My mother was a Baptist and my father was a Christian. Um, the difference between a Baptist and a Christian is um, it was more lenient on the Baptist side than it was on the Christianity side. Christianity was way more conservative. But I grew up in a church. I was in church with my grandma every Sunday. I was at church with my mama every Sunday. And then sometimes we went to church on our own, you know. And I went to Sunday school when I went to church with my grandma. And, you know, I knew the songs. I read the Bible. I don't know the Bible by memory, but if I had to think of a subject, like I know where to go, like I know how to find stuff in the Bible. But you know, when I became a teenager, I started living on my own for a little bit, for a lot of it. I was living on my own. I wasn't living with my mom, and you know, like the people that I was surrounded by would tell me, Jesus isn't real. Jesus is not real. And I wouldn't listen. Even though I was on my own as a teenager, I still, I went to church. I didn't go to church as often as I did as a child, but, you know, whenever I would hang out with certain friends of mine, we would go to church. And I used to go to church. I've been to church with most of my friends, the ones that I was most close with. So, like, I went to a lot of churches, but they would tell me Jesus wasn't real, and I wouldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. I didn't want to believe it. And then I'm making a video. Give me a second. I'm making a video.
I'm hungry.
Your food is in the oven. It'll be ready in a moment. This is going to be a quick video.
Okay.
All right. Can you come out of here? Thank you. And close the door. Sorry about that. But I started doing some research, and I started doing my own research. And I understand why they were saying what they were saying. I think if Jesus would have been given to us in a different light, then he would probably have more power. But because he was given to us in a way to keep he was given to us in a way to keep us manipulated and to maintaining a state of mind that they wanted us to stay in at that time. That's the problem. And because I really didn't want to get into, I don't want to get deep into this. I just want y'all to do your own research. You know what I'm saying? Do your own research. I want you to put two and two together. I want you to check out check out the timeline of everything, and I like a lot of things starts to make sense. It doesn't, like with the Haitian Revolution, and then 3 years later, you know, the missionaries were going around preaching the word to everybody, you know, and I guess they didn't want the same aggression to happen as the Haitian Revolution did, which, you know, what goes around comes around, you know what I'm saying? And I just don't, the way things played out was kind of messed up. And the only way slaves became free was because of the war. I think that if the Bible didn't come into play, slavery probably would have ended a little bit more earlier, and I don't think we would have the mindset that we have today. You know what I'm saying? So when it comes to religion, I no longer believe in religion. I do believe that there is a creator. I'm more into nature, I'm more into energy, and I'm more into prayer. All of those things are real. All of those things are real. And it's just it's a sensitive subject, and I just wanted to put my feelings on it, and because I know like I respect everybody's choices in life. I'm not trying to don't pressure me, I won't pressure you. And I mean, facts are facts, and you know, fiction is fiction. Hey, Mama. I just try to stay positive and keep it 100, you know. And you know, the nature is powerful, energy is powerful, and prayer is powerful. And I think that's it. I think that's just, I'm not going to talk about anything else because I'm still studying, I'm still researching. Like I've learned about Hinduism, which is the oldest and the biggest religion on earth. I've been researching that, and the Quran, which is almost no different than the Bible. So, but yeah. And then the thing is with, you know, researching different religions and stuff, you start to put two and two together again. You can see, okay, well, you can see a lot of the common grounds that's going on, and just trying to figure out the world, you know. And it's so much going on, and sometimes it's hard to keep up, but yeah. So I think I'm gonna end this video. I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for your support. I may lose some subscribers because of this video, but that's okay. That just means that we're not meant for each other. And if you are new to this channel and you respect my opinion, please hit that subscribe button. Did I say leave a comment? Leave a comment if you haven't. Until next time, peace, love, and shea butter, baby. I see y'all later.